Today concept name is property file. 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 Not only using XPath, not only using XPath, we can take other properties also. Other properties also. If you want to work with web application, not only using XPath, we can take other properties also, like name, value, ID. Just we can take different properties. Okay,
Okay.
there are two ways. There are two ways. There are two ways. One is directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second way, we need to create the property file. 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 How to create the property file? Next concept, how to create the property file. How to create the property file. Right click on project, right click on package, right click on package, new, other, general, file, give the file name, click on OK. What is property file?
Okay.
What is property file? Property file. It contains some general information. It contains some general information. All the properties, all the web elements properties we will keep in one file. In file with alias names, and we will attach with the main test.
Okay. So this isn't it's not a config file, it's properties.
Yes, property file. So
Like a web element.
it contains some general information. All the web elements properties we will keep in file with alias names. We will attach with main test. Using that information, WebDriver will identify the web elements. This is the concept of property file concept.
Okay.
So yesterday concept I will repeat it once again, and I will show you two ways. One is property file creation, second one is directly we can give the properties in main test. So after this class completion, you can work with any application without my support, without any support. You can take XPath, or you can take ID, or you can take name, or you can take value, whatever it is. You can take any of the property and you can work with any application. So directly we can give the properties in main test. That is the one way. Second way is we need to create the property file, which way you can feel you can use it. So but different ways. So this is not alternate for XPath. This is the separate way. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Go to Eclipse.
Okay. One thing actually you didn't send. I got the Eclipse, but there was no jar files.
Java already you have in your system. So jar
No,
files you
no.
want WebDriver jars.
Yeah, the WebDriver jars. Yeah. Or if you send me a link, I can download.
No, no, no. I will send you that WebDriver jars. So you can choose any one. So you can, if you want old one or if you want new one, any one you can use it. That's your choice.
Oh,
So WebDriver
okay.
programs. Right now I'm sending. So first one
Should
is
I?
yes. Wait. So this is the old
Sorry.
WebDriver program. 2.21 is a old WebDriver programs. Already I have sent you. So old WebDriver programs. If you want a new WebDriver programs, also I have in my computer. So the latest version of WebDriver is desktop
Is it
3.7,
3.5?
3.7,
3.7.
3.7.
Oh wow.
So 3.7 and 3.6 both I'm sending you. Which one you will feel comfortable, then you can use it. 3.7 I'm sending you as well as 3.6 also I will send you. So if you feel comfortable with any version, you can use it. Okay.
Okay. And then all I do is I add it to the build properties, wasn't it?
Yes. So based
Jar
on
file.
your compatibility issue, if it is 3.71, it is working, you can use it 3.7. If it is not working 3.6, you can use it. Otherwise, old version of WebDriver program 2.21 also, it is very comfortable. Okay, just you can choose any of the
Okay.
WebDriver jar.
And one, sorry, the only one question I had, sorry, was there was no extra drivers I need to download for the
No, no,
Firefox,
no
Chrome,
need.
or anything.
No. Your Firefox 57, this is the latest version I am sending, and Firefox, old version of Firefox also I am sending. So no need to download anything. Just follow my instructions and rules and regulations. Then okay, then you can comfortably you can install all the documents, all the files or softwares. So already I have sent you latest version. Now I'm sending Firefox also. Firefox 12 version also I'm sending. So send it to Jitpu.
Okay.
So two versions I'm sending. Which one you will feel comfortable, then you can use it. So 57
Okay.
as well as 12. Okay, both I have sent you. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Akhil. The only one question I had was I don't need to set up like system properties for the drive for the Firefox or anything. It just works.
Yes. So which version? For example, already you have in 50 or 51, 52 versions. So sometimes that versions will not compatible with this WebDriver programs or whatever it is you installed in Java or Eclipse. So that time, so you can choose any one. So if you are unable to install this Selenium in your lab, just give me a message or call. Just I can come and I can do it. Okay, I will configure Selenium in your lab. Okay.
Okay.
Don't
Fine.
waste your time, don't waste your time. Okay, don't so why? Because so here versions very very different. Like if you want to run a Selenium program, we need Java, Eclipse, WebDriver programs, Firefox version. So all are very very important, as well as operating system also very very important. If it is Windows 7, it will support one software. If it is Windows 8, it will support another software. If it is Mac, it will support another software. So you can feel some difficulty. If you feel difficulties, just give me a call. I can come to online through go to meeting. I can install in your lab. Okay,
Okay. Thanks, Akhil.
great. So today concept is property file. So yesterday concept once again I will repeat you, Peter.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
First of all, we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs. Peter already we discussed one concept. That concept name is WebDriver programs.
Yes.
Right. Once again I will repeat you that concept. Once again I will repeat you. So I'm deleting
Okay.
everything. Delete. Okay. So Peter, go to right click. I
Yeah.
have go to SRC, take the new class. I'm going to SRC. I'm taking class. So I'm not taking any package. Class name is WD1. WD1. So keep the mark public start admin. Click on finish. It will take under default package. It will take under. Oh, Peter already have taken Peter. Okay, right. So if you want work with first concept, once again I'm repeating Peter. So
Okay.
WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. If you want class name reference name equal to new class, sorry, interface name reference name equal to new class name. This is the line we learned from Java. This is the
Yeah.
line we learned from Java. Interface name reference name equal to new class name. So WebDriver and Firefox driver both are predefined classes. So we need to import the statements WebDriver, Firefox driver. If you want to work with any site, just you should mention the site name. WD dot. Yesterday we worked with Facebook.com. Today I'm changing the site name, that is Gmail I'm taking now. Okay. HTTP gmail.com. You should write HTTP in between before just gmail.com. Gmail.com. I
Yeah.
want to work with Gmail site. If you want to work with Gmail site, first of all, we should give username and password. We need to click on sign in button. So then only it will work. So write the statement. WD dot, just keep dot and keep, enter F. So automatically option will come. Find element. By dot. X, I'm keeping the X path. So I'm giving the X path. Dot. Send keys. So I'm giving the ID. Akhil Reddy HYD1. Akhil Reddy HYD1. I'm giving the ID is Akhil Reddy HYD1. That is my ID I'm giving. So dummy ID, copy, control V, control V, control V. So we need to click on next button. Right now Gmail is changed. So compulsory we need to click on next button. Okay. Sorry. Next button click. Next, after entering password, we need to click on sign in button. So click right. My password is Venkanna143. My password is Venkanna143. Venkanna143. Okay, right. Go and get the XPath of the web element. Go and get the XPath of web element. Go and get the XPath of web element. Gmail.
It's just all the it's every lib, isn't it? All the jar files in that one folder.
What I didn't get you.
Sorry, Akhil. It's just all the jar files in one for all. There's no every single jar file I just put in the external library.
Yes. So we need to configure
Okay.
WebDriver programs. So how to configure WebDriver programs? And once again, I will show you. Just no wait. So here is no Firebug. So just go to Web Developer, Firebug, open Firebug. So I want to take the
Okay.
username, activate, and keep the cursor on username field. I'm getting the username, copy, come to Eclipse and paste it. Control V. And we need to click on sign in but sorry, next button. Go and get the next button XPath. This is the next button XPath. Copy, control V. Next we need to enter password. Activate, go and give the password. Copy, control V. Next we need to click on sign in button. Activate, click on sign in button. Copy, control V. So in between we should write, after giving username and password, I am writing thread.sleep. Thread.sleep. Wait statement. So why? Because after clicking on next button it is moving to next page, so it is taking time. So how much time it is taking, I don't know. So that's the reason I'm writing 2 seconds wait. So I'm telling him to say, I'm saying to Selenium, just wait 2 seconds after clicking on next button. Why? Because page is loading, so how much time taking, I don't know. So just please wait 2 seconds. After 2 seconds you just perform the action I'm saying. So right.
Okay.
Save, click on run. So always we will use thread.sleep. Okay, if you want wait the Selenium, if you want to make wait the Selenium 2 seconds, that time we should write 2000 seconds, 2000
Okay.
milliseconds. That means 2 seconds. So this is the session yesterday already we discussed. So once again
Yes.
refreshment. Yesterday we worked with Facebook. Right now we are working with gmail.com.
Okay.
So even fourth class kid also you can learn Selenium, man. Peter, already I told you it's very easy to learn. Just practice required. Without practice you can't. So practice is required. Compulsory after class you should do practice. It is given in username and password. You will click on sign in button. Oh, this is the concept. This is the concept. This is the concept. So this is the we worked with the Gmail application. We worked with the Gmail application. Gmail application. We worked with the Gmail application. Okay, right. This is the XPath using XPath. Today concept is properties. Today concept is properties. Not only using XPath, we can take the properties also. So I don't want to work with XPath. I want to using ID property. So ID. I want to using ID property. I want to work with the Gmail application. Just mention ID. So you need to find out the ID and you should give here ID. ID.
Okay.
How to get the ID? How to get the ID? Gmail ID. How we know? Just activate and keep the cursor on that. So here highlighted one line. So ID email, type email, account focus. So name property and value property we can get it here. So that is the concept. Here we can get properties. We can get properties. ID properties email. So copy the email, copy. This is the first way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Control V. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Next button ID property next only. Copy, Control V. Next.
Okay. I ran my script as well, and the only thing it complains, it says, I think it's because mine's a later version. It complains it needs a Gecko driver.
What? I didn't get to come again.
So when I ran my script in
Hmm.
the console, it asked me to point it to the Gecko driver.
Which driver?
Gecko.
Gecko driver.
Yeah, because I think you're using an older. You're using 2.21, isn't it?
Web driver or which driver?
No. For the Firefox, it's asking me for Gecko driver.
Firefox.
For the latest version, you need Gecko driver, isn't it?
Yeah, latest version 57.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use 57 also. Whatever it is. No problem. No issues.
Okay.
So now I want to give to password. Password ID I need. Password. Copy. Control V. If you know id we can get the password. Sorry, if you know id we can get the xpath, or if you know the xpath we can guess the id. So like, so sign in only. Just sign in is a id. Save, click on run. So this is the first way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. This is the first way.
Okay.
Over. First way is over. Second way, what is the second way?
Properties.
Property file creation. How to create the property file? Already I told you. Right click on SR, sorry, you have taken package. The package name is Peter. Right click on Peter. Oh, package name also Peter. Oh God. Right click on Peter. Take right click on package. Go to new, other, general, file. Click on next. Give the file name is
Properties.
prop. Click on finish. I know A equal to ID. What is the ID? Email next to password to sign in. Okay, email next to password to sign in. Just give the properties here now. Email cap C. Email B equal to next C equal to password D equal to SIGN caps sign in. Save. So I created one property file. Just if you want to get the property file path, right click on property file. Just go to properties. Just copy the
Okay.
path. Copy the path. Copy.
Yep.
Copy the property file path. Come
Okay.
to main concept. Come to main concept. Just right here. Properties. P equal to new properties.
So you're creating an object of the properties file.
Yes. Now I want to using property file concept. So that's the reason I'm writing properties P equal new properties. Just we
Okay.
need to attach with main test. This is the main test. We need to attach that property file input stream. So if you want get the file from or information from other locations, we will use file input stream.
Okay.
FIS equal to new file input stream. New file input stream. File input stream FIS equal to new file input stream. Just give the path of the file. Control V.
Okay.
P dot load FIS. P dot load FIS. Just
Okay.
we should give the double slash if you want to send the information from Java or Selenium. If you want to get the location, any information from other locations to Java, so we should use double slash.
Okay. That's what's complaining.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So after writing file, it is showing file input stream. We need to import the statement. Why? Because it is also predefined class. File input stream. Properties file input stream. Java.util. Sorry. After writing, it is showing some exception. We need to add throws declaration. Once again, it is showing add throws declaration. Now,
Okay. We always had a throw. It's always the throw declaration.
what?
When we had manage an exception, we always had the throw, isn't it?
See. Whenever you are using predefined classes, like properties is a
Yeah.
predefined class, file input stream is a predefined class. So these are the predefined class. Whenever using predefined class, automatically we can get exceptions. You need to
Okay.
handle the
Okay.
exception. That time you need to mouse over online, just add throws declaration, file not found, add throws declaration.
Okay. So it's adding a throw declaration across the whole thing.
Yes. So now already we gave alias name. So that alias names we should give here. P dot get property A.
Got it.
P dot get property B. P dot get property C. P dot get property D. Right. Save. Click on run. This is the property file creation. So directly we are not giving properties in main test. We are associating, like we are creating one property file. We will keep the information there only. So using that information, Selenium WebDriver will identify the web elements. This is a property file. How
Okay.
is it?
Makes sense. So can we? Is it possible just to go back to that property file again? Just
Which one?
your properties file, the PRO.
Yes,
Where is
we are
it?
all right.
Okay, so email. Okay, so here though, so how does it know what the ID is?
What?
So all we're saying here is that
We
when we
gave
put A,
alias
it
name
means
A,
email.
B, C, D. We gave alias name, or if you want give the meaningful name, you can give it email, password, next button, sign in. You can give it whatever it is. Only we have
Whichever
only
one.
four elements, so that's the reason I'm giving A, B, C, D. Okay, if you want any other names, you can give it.
Okay.
This is the property file concept. So Selenium basics are over. Okay, after this class, we can work with XPath or ID, any property directly without my support, without Google support, without any support. Directly, we can work with any application. Okay, Selenium is over. Selenium is over.
But Akhil,
Yeah,
what is the so what's the benefit of the properties file?
property file benefit is reusability. For example, if it is any property changed. So, for example, username property is not email something X. They added one more L. So L, okay. Just we will change the information here only. Okay, save it, and this property, this information will be same. Only if it is any property change, then we will go to property file. We will add some also that property. So
Okay,
remaining is same.
got it,
Script will not
got it,
change.
got it,
So reusability. What is the use? Reusability.
got it. No, sorry, I didn't. Okay, now I understand. Okay, that's fine. I get
And
it.
second concept is second main advantage is one is reusability, second one is there is no duplication, and you can command on script what you wrote, you can get the command. Okay, what you wrote, A is username, B is next button, C is password, D is sign in button. So
Okay, no,
that's
it
the
makes
reason.
sense. It makes sense. But
Yes, all the companies nowadays they are using only property file only. That's the reason we learned this property file.
so is this just out of interest? Because I did some reading. Is this the same concept as um, object repository?
Yes, right. Yes, property file is nothing but it is a object repository.
Okay. Because I do read. I was doing some reading on
Yes,
the internet.
Selenium
Okay.
will not create object repository, so we are creating manually ourselves. Okay, we are keeping all the object information in the file. We will treat as a object repository. Using that information, Selenium WebDriver will identify the web elements.
Got it. So it's like we're creating a repository of all the web elements.
Yes, all the web element. So here is Selenium will not create any object repository. We are creating one object repository manually. That is the property file. So this object repository we will store the object properties, and whenever you want, so then we will associate with this main test. Using that information, Selenium will identify the web elements.
So is this when and just double checking then? So is this the same as object
Yes,
factory?
object repository. Do you know QTP?
No, years ago.
Yeah, QTP will maintain object repository. Whenever you are working with any application, so automatically all the object information will be stored in object repository. Whenever you are clicking on run button using that information, QTP will identify the object very uniquely. So just like, so here is no object repository. So we are creating object repository manually. So we will keep all the object information in the file. So we will keep as the object repository. Using that information, Selenium will identify the web elements uniquely.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay.
Just
Okay.
you should practice.